And this is actually one of the characteristics of his writing. He wrote simply. He did not want to write too fancy and, highfalutin words. He wanted everyone to be able to understand. He thought the best way to write is simple. And he also thought that rather than write about millions, it's best to write about one single family, one mother, one father, one child. And this single person will symbolize all the others, and it will have a stronger effect. Another characteristic, if I may, is I believe optimism is a leitmotif which threads through all his writings. And it's amazing to me how even under such difficult circumstances, he believed, they believed, that any day the war would be over. Well, today perhaps it's called testimonial literature, but I always considered my father's books historical fiction, in the sense of the events actually took place, the people existed, perhaps not by these names, but a lot of the events that took place, for example, in Auf Kiddush Hashem that he writes about Auschwitz, were things that my mother had seen and told my father about in the women's camp.